The residents and tenants of Jhalupara at Upper Mawprem, Shillong were taken by surprise when representatives of the Shillong Cantonement Board had started an eviction drive in the area on the morning of 18th July 2022. This action by the board has caused inconvenience to the public who were not notified or given any time frame to vacate their premises. During the drive, an altercation between the settlers and the authorities of the Shillong Cantonement Board had taken place, where it was alleged that the demolition of structures by the board was unauthorized and illegal.
Pesan gupta malik jangi kita beli हम हिंदी में बोलेंगे आपको हम 30 साल से बैठा बच्चा इधर 30 साल से बैठा है वो मालिक भाड़ा लेता है अचानक टूटा थे हम जाएगा क्या बेटा किधर जाएगा बच्चा लेके बोलिए हाँ
Countrymen Indonesia ai notice ro biang hem dai notice la bun lek mungi kam ai notice ta Indonesia le huri ura badawan monster ketiar bila sei huri wa notice